Hi, welcome to this module. My name is Jim van Steenbergen. I'm Coordinator Communicable Disease Control at the Dutch Public Health Institute. And I'm also Associate Professor at the Leiden University Medical Center. Outbreaks of infectious diseases can have a significant impact on public health. Think of Zika in Brazil, or the avian flu spreading from Hong Kong since 2003. While such outbreaks are widely covered by the media, what is often lacking is detailed background information. How do such infectious diseases emerge? How dangerous are they? And how can we prevent them? In this module, I am going to talk about the risk of infectious disease outbreaks. To gain a better understanding of these risks, we must start by examining the phenomenon itself. What exactly are infectious diseases? An infectious disease is an illness that results from the arrival, invasion, and multiplication of very small disease-causing organisms. Collectively, these small organisms are also known as microorganisms, and they can consist of bacteria, viruses, prions, fungi, and larger parasites such as worms and helminths. While they cannot be seen with the naked eye, our globe is covered with microorganisms. Many of these microorganisms fulfill vital functions in our living environment. For instance, microorganisms are responsible for much of the oxygen we breathe. While in general we live in perfect harmony with the vast majority of these microorganisms, a very select few of them can be harmful to us. Infectious diseases occur when these harmful microorganisms enter our body, start to multiply, and compromise our protective immune mechanisms. When this occurs, these small organisms cause a reaction in the host, which they have invaded, either human or animal, and the resulting symptoms can be a direct result of the microorganisms and the toxins they produce, or the host's immune reaction to them. It can, of course, also be a mixture of these two. The essential characteristic of infectious diseases is that they are transmissible. Microorganisms can be transmitted in multiple ways. They can be transmitted directly, for example, through kissing or laughing, or indirectly, through food, water, or also larger organisms such as mosquitoes, ticks, lice. Tracing sources of infection when there are no symptoms is one of the challenges of infectious disease control. And it is also an important explanatory factor for the ongoing transmission of infectious diseases in society. To properly prevent the spread of infectious diseases, one needs to possess detailed microbiological knowledge. However, this is knowledge that the general public often does not possess. While many of us have learned the basic preventive measures, such as using a handkerchief when we cough, or avoid contact with certain bodily fluids because they are regarded as dirty, we often lack the exact knowledge of the true risk of infection and how to prevent it. This makes us afraid when mysterious new infectious diseases emerge, as we feel unequipped to accurately estimate the threat it poses.